Hi everyone, how you all doing? So I am back with another unboxing video, but today I'm not going to be unboxing a book box. Instead, it is actually a really special package that I've been waiting for. It's from the Needle Maid. So Needle Maid is run by Icha Agarwal and team. They're based in Darjeeling, and Icha basically does this handmade. She makes scarves, she makes scrunchies, she makes pillow covers and bed sheets and masks, and so many other kind of fabric stuff. So she also releases these boxes once in a while. I saw her Halloween box and I fell in love with all the goodies. So I was like waiting for her next box, and I literally ordered it as soon as it was live. And guess what, her box actually got out of stock. It was sold out in just 24 hours, and she had to restock it twice because that was the demand for her box. And when I show you everything that came in this box, you will totally understand why the box is so awesome and why they were so much in demand. Okay, so I got the box yesterday, which was on no, I got it on Christmas Day on 25th December. So it is the theme of the box was forest floor, which was more of like a winter and Christmas themed. So yes, I mean I have it open already here, but of course it was looking much prettier, guys. Okay, so it came in this carton, but there were separate packaging. There were at least 4 5 different packages. I've opened everything and I've kept, so I don't waste time opening. And they're actually already sent a mug beforehand only. I forgot to bring it here now. It's already in the kitchen. I'm using that mug. It's so pretty. It has a Santa Claus on it and it's green in color, and it's a Christmas and winter themed mug as well. It is very nice. So let's get on to everything that is in this box. Yes, the first and the most nice thing is this wreath. It is made from pine, and Icha, she went to the forests herself in Darjeeling to pluck out these fresh pine and to make this. So this, even after it dries, it actually smells nice actually, and you can hang it, use it as props, and it looks very pretty. So yeah, this is the first goodie. There are so many goodies that I'm sure I'll lose track of it, but yeah, this is the first one. And then, oh, then we have this really nice one, which is marshmallow and hot chocolate, or chocolate powder for making marshmallow with hot chocolate. So this is a combination that I had never had. I've had hot chocolate multiple times, but not with marshmallow. And this, I think, is a perfect winter combination, and I cannot wait to try this combination. So yes, this was the other goodie. Yeah, now we have the most essential for these times, which is a mask. And look at the pretty print in this mask. It has sunflowers, and even the back side, it has a silky texture, so it's very nice. And I've heard that her masks are very durable also. It's very popular Needle Made mask, so do check out. So this is the mask. And then we have this coaster, which is also like a Christmas tree ornament if you want, but otherwise it's also used as a coaster. It is made from wool, like handmade, and it's like very pretty color as well as texture. Then we have one more sort of tree ornament, and something that can be used as a decorative item as well, similar to the previous one, woolen item. Yeah, then we have this coin pouch. If you can see the design on it, it is all Christmas and Santa themed, and it's like needle made in Darjeeling. So inside there are a lot of stickers, Christmas themed stickers. There are some black and white, some colors. So many are there, like lots and lots of stickers. See, too many stickers. And I love stickers, by the way. That's my new obsession. I'm now decorating my wardrobe with stickers and also using it in my new journal. So nice pouch also. I really like the pouch. It looks like good quality and perfect actually. Very nice. Then we have the promised postcard of Darjeeling. So this is Mount Kanchenjunga in the background, and so apparently this is shown in Mehuna. Mehuna was set here. My brother immediately recognized it. I took a while, but such a cute Very nice postcard. I love Himalayas. Yeah, I miss Himalayas actually. So it's very nice to see this. I really like that. Then there are yes. Then there's one very special gift, which is this. This is actually a laminated bookmark, but the point is it's a Spotify playlist. So Icha actually made this Spotify playlist. So when we bought the box, there was a Google form to fill up, and one of the question asked is which song would you like to be included. So each of us could give our suggestion for our favorite song, and she has made a playlist with all the songs, all for Christmas themed and winter related songs, and actually did this. And this photo is her own photo. It's a very nice memory of hers, and it's such a nice card. Next, we have another postcard. This is from the Jane Austen deck of postcards. I have this, quote. It's by Northanger Abbey, and look at, oh my god, I love this quote. It says, if adventures will not befall a young lady in her own village, she must seek them abroad. And I think that's like perfect. Perfect. I'm going to live by this mantra. Although I'm not going to live Bangalore, but it's so pretty. Really like this postcard. Then, okay, this was something that she had wrapped everything up in this. It says from North Pole Mail Service special delivery for Anusha. So it was a very nice, cute card. And she's also written a letter which is Dear Anusha, and it's very nice. She's like from the desk of Santa Claus. So she has written, like, your family has written to me saying that you have been wonderfully good this year, and my elves report the same. So this present is for you from Needle May. That's a very nice one. Very nice card. Also, this is her logo. Nice. Then there was also this Starry Skies painting ka ek postcard type. Then there was this attached to cocoa, hot cocoa and marshmallow. This card. And then this one, I'll tell you what this is because it's the most exciting part. I kept it for the last. And then we have, a book sleeve. So Icha had given us a option of either choosing a book jacket or a book sleeve, and I was like, I don't know what's the point of a book jacket because I don't know if my books will feel cold. So I got this book sleeve because it has a zip also, so it's very nice, and I can keep in anything inside this. I can use it as a very good storage place. Even this says by Needle Made. So it's very nice. Pattern was also very cute. Okay, now we are coming to the most exciting parts. Oh wait, I forgot this. There's a woolen, not woolen, but okay, what is this? Yeah, a cotton bookmark as well. Very nice. It comes with the book sleeve. Yes. Next we have a muffler. Like, can you believe it? I was not expecting like clothes in this, but trust me, they're amazing. So there is this muffler, which is, oh my god, woolen muffler, guys. It's very nice. Like, it's so thick and warm, and really like the end also, and it's so cute. Like, I'm just gonna wear it and sit now, so you will see how gorgeous this is. It's very nice. And the next time it gets more gorgeous from now on, so hold on, because next I have this pajama. She actually sent this velvety pajama to everybody. It's a free size velvety pajama, and I don't know how to tell this because obviously you can't touch it, but it's the softest thing I've ever touched. It's so velvety, so soft. It's really beautiful. I mean, I don't know. I would love to wear it, but I live in Bangalore. It is not that cold, so I hope to wear it at least a couple of times before the end of this winter. This is so nice, and it smells so good because she had actually packed these potpourri things. My goodness, the smell is so good. It's so good. I can't tell you. I feel like I keep smelling it. It's so nice. So she packed everything with that. So even these smell amazing. Okay, now hold on, because the best item of the box is gonna come, and that is this blanket. She actually made a book themed blanket. And okay, I can't open obviously, so but see, this is the inside. Okay, the inside is woolen and it's really warm, and then the outside is a little like a velvety texture. And oh my god, look at this. This is going to be there in all my book pictures from now on, by the way. So it has all like books. Such a gorgeous blanket. I think I'm gonna like forever use it as a throw blanket on my sofa. It is so nice, and it's so nice to snuggle up in winter and to read. It is really, really gorgeous. I love the color, I love the texture. I can't tell how much I love it. Even the inside also. I think it's reversible. It's that pretty. So yes, this was the best, and that was what this is. This is the full pattern. This is the full pattern, and she's made this. So yes, that was all the goodies that was there in this box. Of course, I missed the Christmas mug. Yeah, sorry, it is already in the kitchen. I was using it. But yes, this was all the goodies inside. There are so many, as you can see. Wonderful, gift for me from during Christmas. Okay, so a little bit more about Needle So this, all of it, inclusive shipping, inclusive the Christmas mug and everything, it cost 2,200 rupees. And yeah, I know it's a little bit of on a higher side when you talk about like book boxes, but you have to understand that, see, this itself would, I don't know, cost like a bomb, I'm sure, if I want to buy it like just this. And this muffler, I can't tell you, it's so good, like it's very, very good quality muffler. So this again would be very expensive individually. And she sent a pajama also, guys. So I mean, I'm sure I really got more than I expected. So I'm very happy with everything that is there. And like, yeah, like all this book sleeve and stuff. It's very nice to open a box and get so many goodies, and for that itself I think I'm like willing to pay so much. I'm honestly waiting for the next box by Needlemade. I am going to definitely buy, also because see, this was a more of a Christmas themed winter themed box, but like I live here south in Bangalore and it's not that cold here, and also like we don't really celebrate Christmas that much as well. So some of the things here, although it was not very neutral, but I would like to own for another themed box. Definitely I'm looking forward to another theme as well. I will definitely buy from Icha again. And if you're interested, then you also should check out the Needlemade on Instagram. And she sells a lot of gorgeous scarves as well. She sells a lot of masks, so you can definitely buy it. I will definitely buy it. All of this is from Darjeeling. She's based from Darjeeling, and her shipping was also, she sent a tracking ID and everything. It was gorgeous. She was also like keeping in touch. She's like, inform as soon as you receive. So it's really nice. I got a very good feeling. Yeah, that was it. That was all the treasure that I unearthed from my forest float box from the Needlemade. I'll be back again with another unboxing video hopefully soon when I get another box. Till then, bye bye.